Shiners Unlimited Uber just dropped us off. Ooh. Look at him. Crawfish versus largemouth bass. Oh, out in the depth. God. Did you see this? Look at him right there. Look how big that thing is. Sheesh. The professional said it's a lot more than 500. Ah! Ah! We got one bag of shiners, a lot of shiners, and it's time to release. Holy moly, dude. There's so many fish. Oh, no! What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today we're starting it off here on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. Literally the middle of nowhere. We are at Shiner Sam's place. You probably know by the title and thumbnail of this video what we're doing today. Let's head over this way and I'll explain further.
Hello, man.
How you doing?
Long time no see.
See you, man. We are here getting shiners for our ponds at the farmhouse. You know, we want to load those ponds up, like completely load them up. I think we'll probably they're running low on bait because it's so later on in the week. They get deliveries, what, Wednesday?
Yep, every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday. So there's only so many baits, but we're loading up today.
That's what you want to feed your bad boys.
Look at that. Little shiners. Ah! We're gonna feed the big bass in the back too. If you don't know and you haven't seen any videos that I've filmed here in the past, there's like 15-pound bass here and they eat shiners like right out of your hands. Ah! No! Oh my God! So that'll be happening and loading up on baits for the house at the farm. I can't wait for this. This is gonna be awesome. Yeah. Loading up to go feed the bass.
They're all feisty.
Splashing it. Yeah. They're gonna get all munched. Every one of them gone. We're here at the pond, and if you look, there's already wakes on the bank. I mean, there's literally already wakes. They're waiting for us to throw in, and it's been raining a lot, so you can see the bass. Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Look at them right there. Look how big that thing is. Boom! Gone. We're gonna be getting GoPro footage as well, so stay tuned. It's insane here. We got a whole lot of baits to feed a whole lot of bass. Ready, ready, ready? It's gonna get tight. Ooh. Ready? Oh! Ready? Oh! Oh my gosh, dude. That is incredible. It is like Robbie's, but bass. I mean, I'm not even kidding. There's just... He found one. He found one. Ah! Ah! No! Oh my gosh! He almost got my hand.
Yo, look at that one. Damn, can't get in the camera. Kind of.
That was, hey.
Kind of.
That was, hey. That's my toe. You could. Oh my gosh. They are so big. Oh my gosh.
They're huge.
Dude, they're so big. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's just hanging right there. Like, God. They're all looking at the GoPro. Let's put a couple in right here, ready? You're gonna put two. One, boom. I like putting them in the grass.
They just weigh in.
Where they kind of like look. Like I can, oh! Oh, I got my hand. Oh, minnows? Oh, he's gone. He's gone. All right, Chris, time for you to try. Give it a try, feed the fish. It's a little hard to see him.
Oh my God, you literally could pet him.
Throw it out a little more. Ooh, jeez. That's gone. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that was a beast.
Look at that.
Last shiner, we got a couple minnows too, but last shiner, out in the depths. Did you see him?
Oh my God,
they're
like
fast. Bullets. That was sick. Look at them all. Dude, they're just waiting for us. Oh, they're huge. That is insane. 10-pound bass, I mean, 1 foot away from us, eating out of our hand. Maybe one day we'll have a pond like this, you know? Maybe one day. You never know.
That'll be nice.
That would be sick. It's a big old pond. All my ducks could just roam and fly free. Not that they can't do that already. There's another pond over here too. I don't think there's anything in this one. Oh, but there is, look at him. We should have gave him a little fish. There's a couple of them sitting right here. See them? They're like, hey, where's our food at, huh? Oh, special delivery. Oh my God, wait a second. Shiners Unlimited Uber just dropped us off a treat. We were just about to go back and load up on some shiners, but we're gonna, Ooh, look at him. Look at that sucker. I was about to go load up on some shiners, but then we got the Uber that arrived with crawfish, and it looks like to be a sunfish or something like that too. Oh my gosh, dude, they're gonna absolutely pipe this thing. Crawfish, anyone? Oh! I've never seen that before. I've never seen the bass eat a crawfish. That was amazing. You wonder why they eat those crawdad lures, huh? Crawfish versus largemouth bass. Oh my gosh, dude. It crunches like a potato chip underwater.
Yeah. No.
Oh!
Oh.
They spit him. Oh my gosh. Oh! They spit him. Oh! Big old crawfish right there.
Ooh.
Y'all are getting dirty from all this bass splash, you know? Oh, that thing was huge. Hello, little crawfish. Wait, we gotta feed our little buddies over here. There was a couple that were waiting on us. Ooh, that was dope. Look at all the bass, bro. That's just insane. Ooh. That's gone. Well, they ate it all, and they still hungry.
Still hungry.
This pond is so sick, bro.
How do you keep it so
Turtles.
clean?
The bass are all back there, and you can see the bluegill. Look how big that bluegill is on the sand beds. They eat very well in here, let me tell you. There's a school of shiners right there. They just eat natural. It's like the wild. I love watching them spread out. Sheesh. Oh, look at them all swim away. They're like, no! A whole lot of fish. Sheesh! Yes, sir! We gotta get my GoPro. Wait, don't close the bag yet. Alright, hello there.
Give him a shot of oxygen. One bag down.
The water is so cold and it's so humid out that it has condensation on the bag. Look at all the fish. Look at them all. Hey, buddies. And right on to the next one we go. Loading up. This one's gonna have more, right?
Yes, sir.
This one will have. This is gonna have 5 pounds. A whole lot of fish, man. A whole lot. Oh my goodness. If you have not hit the subscribe button, you're missing out. Hit the subscribe button. Look at them all in there. Second bag tied up. Good to go. 2 bags. We're gonna have how many fish you think?
Shoot. About 2-3 dozen per pound.
2 to 3 dozen per pound. Okay, let's do the math. 36. Let's just go high. 36 times 9.
Like
350 fish-ish. Ish.
More because
Plus the sizes?
Yeah, a lot more.
Okay, because size per pound.
Yep.
So probably like what, 500?
Yeah, close. Maybe more.
Yeah, well, he's the professional. Look it, if you just look how many are in this bag right here.
We'll count every individual one.
Yeah, we'll count everyone
one.
going into the
1,
tank.
2.
The professional said it's a lot more than 500. Ah! Ah! 3, 2, 1, get it, Paul. Ah! We got a lot of shiners. We got a 2-hour ride home. Let's get on the road. That was the longest walk of my life. But we made it. Welcome back to the farm, Cuffaros. We're here. We've made it. Holy moly, it's getting a little foggy. Both bags of shiners are here. We're gonna put one into this pond, and I think we're gonna do another one in the other pond, and then feed some of the fish in the 4,000-gallon aquarium. So we have a little flying ducks. We have a couple things we wanna do. We got 1 bag of shiners, a lot of shiners, and it's time to release all of them into the pond. Hold up, wait a second, wait, before we put the shiners in the pond, we gotta feed the animals. Hey buddies, what's going on? My little Muscovy ducklings. Eat up, here, I'll leave some on the ground for you. There you go. There you go, buds. Oh. Goat food. Here you go, Boots. Going ham, dude. He just ate half that out of my hand. Mama? Mama, you're eating out of my hand. That's new. That's a first.
Look, this one, I'm just like pushing it.
That's Buttercup. She don't care. She likes to be held. These are all my kids, guys. These are all my kids. I got a whole lot of kids. 21 to be exact. Plus goats. See, that's 20. Lily! Hi, Lulu. Oh, Lord, Suzanne, it's been so long. Come here. Hi, buddy. It's great to see ya. He does not care about me at all, but it's okay. Suzanne, you're such a great animal. You know that? Oh, geez. Oh. Suzanne the turkey, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed that, because I know I didn't. Come on, Oscar.
There you go.
Show him your stance.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Boots, show
his
him what you
turn.
got.
Oh, show off out here.
Yeah.
Who's next? Who's next? She's like, get out of my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, baby got a belly.
Yeah, he does. Now that all the animals have eaten, goats, pigs, duck, all the animals, we can finally now get the shiners into the pond. We got one bag of shiners, a lot of shiners, and it's time to release all of them into the pond. Buddies, you ready? Here we go. Oh my gosh, look how many. Look at them all. Look at them all. Look at all of them. It's insane. Hundreds of fish. Could still get them. Look. What are you doing, dude? That right there is a shiner. They get that name obviously because all those scales. I mean, and this one was dead in the bucket. So is this one. That's a little minnow that came with the shiners. So a couple minnows came with them as well. But super cool. You want a minnow?
Nope.
They're coming to the bank because they probably don't really know how to swim. It's kind of dark. There is probably about 300 fish we just dumped into the pond. And they're still kind of swimming up on the bank and stuff over here. Now this water is obviously a little bit warmer than the water they came in, but hopefully they school up in there, grow, and then one day when we're cast netting, we'll cast net some shiners, you know? You never know, but it's possible. Dude, I think we should put them all in this pond. Because that pond has fish already. It has a lot of tilapia. Not that this one doesn't, but this is like my bait pond. Handfuls, baby, look at this. Woohoo! Ready? Holy moly, dude. There's so many fish. Look at all of them. Let's keep all these for the pond.
Yeah.
Look it, they were eating one of their friends in there. There you go, ducks.
Yep. He's eating it.
We just put like 500 plus fish into this pond right here. Probably closer to 1,000. The guy said it might even be more than that, but that's a whole lot of shiners. I've been wanting to do this video for like months, bro. Let's go with these in the pond. See what happens.
He went to the gar.
Oh, did you see how aggressive? Look, he's got it in his mouth.
Yep.
Whole lot of fish.
Look at him.
Those platinums are getting so big, dude. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. We have part 2 of the pond build coming soon. You guys smashed the like button on the last video, so make sure to smash it again on this one. Part 2 of the pond build, whether we're doing freshwater or saltwater. So if you know, we got a 1,000-gallon pond being built right now. We built it a couple videos ago. Comment down below whether you think freshwater or saltwater, and that's what we're gonna do. Y'all are making the decision here. Subscribe down below if you are new. We stocked this pond. Stocked the whole thing. It's loaded with shiners. Stocking shiners, pond, duck. Yeah. Guess what? Guess what though? I'm gonna see you right back here on this camera right here. Yep, that's me in the next one. Peace out. Yep.
Oh, you touched the screen. Yep.
That's what it is.
Dude, you touched the screen.
We just figured out what one of the reasons I've need something for, or if not. Subscribe!